Tell me what you like to do in that bed. Is this a trampoline? David Keith is almost 1.5, and this is how he woke up from his nap. Are you a toot? Are you a toot toot? Is that funny? I would think that would hurt. Are you a toot toot? You're a toot toot. Can you say out?
Out.
Can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Can you say mommy? Can you say mommy? David Keith, can you say mommy?
Mama.
Can you say Anna?
I.
Can you say David?
Daniel.
Daniel? Your name's not Daniel. Say David.
Nanu.
Nanu Nanu. Can you say Keith? Oops. Can you say David Keith? Toot toot. That's what Mommy calls you. Toot toot. Can you say night night? Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.